Hey, what's up, Gala coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Gala coin's price will be very badly decreased now. 1.56% the price will fail down. So don't worry, my friend. After a fail, absolutely everybody know this today will take a very huge jump now. And I will give you, my friend, some very special information and some good update now. The very huge explosion of Gala coin is coming soon in upcoming days, my friend. But they will take a few days, my friend. You know, especially in last days of every month, every coin will completely go to the moon now. So therefore, Gala coin, I'm 100% sure to also moving upward. But this is only possible just and only, my friend, if a short-term investor are starting holding, if a holder are starting buying, if a holder are starting investing. Otherwise, my friend, this is impossible to they will get a profit. So try to understand, my all Gala coin holders. If you want to get a profit, you will need first of all, my friends, to just and only invest now. Especially, my friend, in those days, the short-term investor are starting selling, so the price is very badly falls down. So therefore, in last 24 hours, 1.63% they were falls down. And you can see market cap, oh my goodness, 1.63% decrease now. My friend, everything depend on market cap. Market cap, if a market cap is increasing, then the price will also increasing. And market cap if increasing, if a holder are starting investing. And my friend, I personally listen this, my friends, to in upcoming time the CEO personally trade now to we are going to collaborate with companies. So I hope if they will starting collaboration, so I hope to they will recover this all lost and they will get a very huge profit. So in last 24-hour volume, as you can see, 45.70% decrease now. Oh my goodness, it's really bad news, my friend. I am going to show you, my friend, the live chart of this coin, my friend. You can see here, and last my friend, you can see they will completely fails down from resistance line, and this coin is completely on the lost. So if they will hit now the resistance line, so I hope to they will get a profit. But if they never hit the resistance line, then absolutely they will very badly falls down. So try to understand, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. But please, my friends, you will need, my friends, to hold now. If you are starting holding, so I hope they will get a profit. Otherwise, everybody knows this too. If a holder are starting selling, then the coin is falls down, and absolutely you will never lost. You will never get a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care.